Okay, having a look at another solving type question. This time we've got a decimal. So we're going to be looking to find our angle first. So it's not one of our triangles. We need to use our calculator to solve for that initial angle. So we've got our 0.4 here. We also know that we've got between 0 and 2 pi, so we know we're working in radians. So we're going to grab our calculator, make sure we've changed our mode to radians. And then we're going to do second, and we've got cos, so second cos of negative 0.4. Now, we could just put in the 0.4 if we wanted, but we can do the negative 0.4 and it'll give us that first angle that we have there, 1.98. So we've got our 1.98 as our answer there. Now, if we did it in degrees, I'll show you the difference here. If we grab it and we put it into degrees, that's sometimes a little bit easier to manage, and you can go back to radians at the end. You'll see we get 113 degrees. Now this makes sense because we've got a negative, and in the second quadrant where we've got the 113.57, that's where cos is negative. The other place that cos is negative is down here. So if we were going in degrees, we would do our 360, take that answer to work out the number of degrees going around this way. Now, we're not in degrees, we're in radians, but I just wanted to show you that so you can picture where the angle is. So when we had it here, we did 360 take that angle. So if we've got it in radians, we're going to do 2 pi take the angle. Now 2 pi, when we're in radians, is going to be 2 times 3.14. which gives us 6.28. So then, when we want to work out what 2 pi take 1.98 is, we're going to be doing 6.28, take away the 1.98, and we get 4.3. So that means our x is going to be equal to our 1.98 or 4.3. Now, because we're only looking between 0 and 2 pi, we only have to find those two, and we don't have to go any further with our domain to check if we go around another cycle, like if we were looking between 0 and 4 pi. So that's our answer. In the next one, I'm going to look at one that requires a little bit of rearranging of the equation first.